Ever looked at a picture of a toothy, scaly reptile and wondered, is that an alligator or a crocodile? You're not alone. These amazing creatures often get mistaken for one another. It's an easy mistake to make, but don't worry, we're about to dive into the wild world of these reptiles and learn how to tell them apart. Get ready for some fun facts and exciting discoveries along the way. It's like a game of spot the difference. But instead of looking for hidden objects, we're looking for clues in their appearance, where they live, and how they behave. By the end of this, you'll be a pro at telling these ancient reptiles apart. So, grab your binoculars, put on your explorer hats, and let's get started. One of the easiest ways to tell an alligator from a crocodile is by looking at their snouts. Think of it like this. Alligators like to keep it wide and rounded, kind of like a big, friendly smile, though we wouldn't recommend getting close enough to check. Crocodiles, on the other hand, have a more pointed, V-shaped snout, like a big, toothy grin. Now let's talk teeth. When an alligator closes its mouth, those bottom teeth disappear like a magic trick. That's because the upper jaw is wider and overlaps the lower one, hiding those pearly whites. Crocodiles like to show off their chompers, though. Even with their mouths closed, you can still see a toothy grin, especially those big pointy teeth in the bottom jaw. Finally, size matters in the reptile world. Generally speaking, crocodiles tend to be larger than alligators. Think of them as the big brothers of the crocodilian family. But remember, even smaller crocodiles can pack a powerful bite. Another clue to figuring out who's who in the world of alligators and crocodiles is where you find them. Alligators prefer freshwater habitats like swamps, rivers, and lakes. They like to hang out in the southeastern United States, with a large concentration right here in Florida. Crocodiles, on the other hand, can tolerate salt water and are often found in coastal areas, estuaries, and even out at sea. They're like the adventurers of the family, found in places like Central America, South America, Africa, Asia, and even Australia. So if you spot one of these reptiles lounging by a salty shore, chances are you've found yourself a crocodile. If it's chilling in a freshwater swamp, it's more likely to be an alligator. And remember, location, location, location. Believe it or not, alligators and crocodiles have different personalities. Alligators are generally considered a bit more laid back and less aggressive than their crocodile cousins. They're more likely to shy away from humans and are less likely to attack unless provoked or feeling threatened. Crocodiles, on the other hand, have a reputation for being a bit more grumpy and are considered more aggressive overall. They're more likely to defend their territory and have been known to attack humans even without provocation. Both alligators and crocodiles are carnivores, meaning they eat meat. They're opportunistic hunters, which means they'll eat pretty much anything they can catch, from fish and turtles to birds and mammals. Think of them as the ultimate garbage disposals of their ecosystems. Now for some fun facts to impress your friends. Did you know that alligators and crocodiles are ancient creatures that have been around since the time of the dinosaurs? That's right, these reptiles are living fossils. They've survived for millions of years, which is a testament to their adaptability and resilience. Here's another cool fact. Alligators and crocodiles have a special sensory system on their snouts and jaws that allows them to detect even the slightest vibrations in the water. It's like having built-in sonar, helping them find prey and navigate their watery worlds. And here's one for you. Crocodiles have a special adaptation that allows them to drink salt water. They have special glands near their tongues that help them get rid of excess salt, kind of like their own personal desalination plants. Amazing, right? So there you have it. You're now well on your way to becoming an alligator and crocodile expert. Remember, look at the snout, check those teeth, and consider their location to tell these amazing reptiles apart. And always remember, admire these creatures from a safe distance and respect their wild nature. Now here's a final thought to ponder. Alligators and crocodiles play important roles in their ecosystems, helping to keep populations of other animals in check. They're a vital part of the web of life, reminding us that every creature, big or small, has a role to play. Until next time, keep exploring the wild world around you. Help the channel grow by subscribing and sharing this video.